Most Australians work hard and earn good money and still feel financially uncertain. In this video, Australian author and tax professional Romeo Caporaso explains why this happens and why the problem is rarely. This video explores the critical difference between income and wealth and why structure, not effort, determines long-term financial security. Romeo shares insights drawn from decades working across business, tax and property, and explains why so many Australians remain financially fragile despite strong earnings. This is not about shortcuts or hype. It's about understanding how business income, tax planning, and asset building work together over time. If you're interested in long-term thinking around business, tax, and property investment in Australia, this video will give you a grounded perspective. For a deeper explanation of these ideas, links to Romeo's books are below. Many Australian business owners are profitable but still feel stressed about money. In this video, Romeo Caporaso explains the most common tax mistake business owners make, treating tax as a future problem instead of a system. This discussion covers small business tax planning in Australia, GST cash flow issues, PAYG instalments, and why tax shock happens even in successful businesses. Romeo breaks down these ideas in plain English, drawing on real-world experience rather than theory. If you're running a business in Australia and want to understand how tax, cash flow, and planning really work, this video will help you think more clearly and avoid unnecessary stress. For a structured, long-form explanation, links to Romeo's books are included below. Many Australians treat business, property, tax, and wealth as separate decisions. In this video, Romeo Caporaso explains why this fragmented thinking creates financial stress and how integrating these areas into one system creates clarity and long-term stability. This discussion covers how business income should support asset building, how property reduces reliance on income over time, and why tax planning underpins everything. If you're a business owner, professional, or investor looking to understand how financial decisions connect, this video provides a calm, practical perspective. For a deeper framework around integrated wealth planning, book links are below. Financial security is often talked about, but rarely explained clearly. In this video, Romeo Caporaso outlines what a truly secure financially and future looks like for Australians. This includes diversified income, long-term assets, planned tax outcomes, and realistic risk management. Rather than focusing on quick wins, this discussion centers on sustainable financial decisions that compound over decades. If you're looking for clarity rather than noise when it comes to money, business, and property, this video offers a grounded long-term view. Romeo's books explore these ideas in detail. Links are below.